got a laundromat. They got full-timers in here. It's by the river.
It's rained last night.
Yeah, it rained last night. It's supposed to rain today too, and tomorrow. They have showers.
Laundromat, showers.
They got a kind of like a gazebo for picnic tables, a children's park. Family oriented. They have camping. They have boondocking if you want, electric, water, fire pits. There's the river out there. We've been watching the barges go up and down the river.
Got ducks.
Yeah, they got wild geese. But they're not really wild because they're not afraid of the vehicles. You have to watch, you know.
They're residents.
They live here full time. They got a boating dock. They got cabins they rent.
Plus the thing down there, but the river. We didn't take a video of that, did we?
What, down on the beach?
Yeah.
No, we didn't go down on the beach, and we didn't.
Yeah, we did one down to the beach, by the beach.
Yeah, by the beach.
But it was the other camera that was messed up.
It's a small park, but it's a busy park.
And they got certain places for people to live. When you have guests, I think kids are free, aren't they?
But under a certain age they are.